bought this Okuku sodium ion ATV battery for my Honda Foreman 400. The old Wise battery only really lasted about 2 years. Honestly didn't have real good luck with this one. This was a sealed lead acid battery, and I saw this one on Amazon. It was more expensive originally, but with a coupon the price actually came down to be competitive with a brand new sealed lead acid battery. So sodium ion is relatively new to the market of batteries. It's kind of after the lithium iron phosphate. It's a little bit less energy dense than the lithium ion, but according to this, the cold weather performance should be better than lithium ion. So that's why I actually chose this one. We're going to see if that's true in our Wisconsin winters and see how this works out for ice fishing. So I'm going to put this in. I'll show you that. Show you how it lines up. I'm expecting it to pretty much fit exactly the same. If you look at the batteries, they're pretty much identical in form factor. Size-wise, they're both size 14 case. I mean, this one's maybe 2 pounds, maybe 3 pounds, compared to, 10 or 12 here. So the weight is significantly different. We'll see what the difference is in performance over time. Here it is in the machine. Fits right in. The positive and negative line up. The only thing that is different here is you can see there's on the bottom of the positive battery terminal, there's some tabs that kind of wrap around here. And that doesn't really fit perfectly on top of here. There's some interference here. So I'm just going to bend those tabs flat with the pliers, and then it'll go right on. So there it is installed. Now for the test, we're just going to turn this on and see what happens. Choke. No. Oh, that's hot. There's a little gap in the video here. I actually went to start it the first time and a bunch of smoke start rolling out of here, and figured that wasn't a great thing and didn't want to damage my new battery. Found out that inside of here there's a little post, and the starter, this post had snapped off inside and it was shorting out. So I got a couple of parts to fix that, and it only took about 10 minutes once I got the parts. And now we're back to the battery. Again, you'll see this is a sodium ion battery installed here. The one thing that is a little different, these are some little rubber boots that actually go down and press on the battery. I would say that this battery is maybe 2 millimeters or 3 millimeters taller. So when I went and put these bolts in, you can see this plate has a little bit of a bow in it. And this thing's really tight in there. I opted to leave it that way. It's not tight enough where I feel like it's going to crack the battery housing or anything like that. The seat still closes fine. I guess you could shave off these rubber things if you were really worried about it, but there's definitely a little bit of resistance there. But you can see it's not super tight. Like, I can still wiggle the battery with my fingers and stuff like that. So, but it is resting on the battery here on these rubber pieces. So let's get to it, and you can see how this thing starts up. So I'm going to turn the key on. And there it is. So that's just installed. That's not charged or anything. That's straight from the factory. It's got plenty of power to turn this thing over. And we'll see how long it lasts. My lead acid battery before this only lasted a little 2 years maybe. So I wasn't real pleased with that. So we're going to try this, and these are supposed to last significantly longer, like 10 times longer, and have really good cold performance. So hope this helps, and good luck.
If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.